Jolyan Silvera, the main suspect in his wife's murder, will spend the night in jail. As you see him there, leaving out in handcuffs. I made a speech as January stepped in, New Year's Day, and I outlined some things what I would love to see. And I said we must be the change, and a journey of 1,000,000 miles begins with the first step. The change must be in us, and we have to do some sacrifice to make them change. We all know the saga with Mr. Silvera. His wife found dead in her sleep, but after examined by the doctor, bullet fragments was found in her body. People make we take back Jamaica now, take it by storm. Make people afraid to even commit a murder, afraid to do some evilous thing. Make them have to think about these things. I mean think long and hard, and not just believe that your money can take care of things all the time. And not believe that you're in another category so you can do something to people and get away with it. People must remember, woman no come after no special man, man no come after no special woman. No spend where you can't afford to give away. I don't know what may have caused this, but every man is innocent until found guilty.
On November 10, 2023, about 7 a.m., the police initially responded to what appeared to be a death investigation at the residence of Jolyan and Melissa Silvera. After the autopsy report, it was revealed that Mrs. Silvera had not died from natural causes, but as a result of possible gunshot wounds. As a consequence, the police elevated the investigation into a murder investigation. Despite public speculation, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, in its commitment to transparency, swiftly launched a thorough investigation to address any concerns of a cover-up. For transparency to be maintained, the matter was reassigned to the Major Investigation Division, MID. Several lines of inquiry were drawn during the investigative process, and having satisfied ourselves that there is sufficient evidence to mount a viable prosecution, as a consequence, consultation was made with the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution, who concur with our findings. Jolyan Silvera, the husband of the deceased, Mrs. Melissa Silvera, has been taken into custody as a suspect in this case. This significant development is a testament to the dedication of the JCF in serving the public and upholding the principles of being a force for good. The JCF remains resolute in its commitment to transparency, justice and public safety. We understand the concerns of the public, and this update is provided to assure that our work is ongoing and focused on seeking the truth. I extend my deepest gratitude to the key stakeholders who have played pivotal roles in the exhaustive and meticulous process of unearthing critical evidence. During the investigation, several lines of inquiries were explored with the support of several entities. These entities include the Institute of Forensic and Legal Medicine, the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution, the Major Investigation Division team, Counterterrorism and Organized Crime, CTOC, the Technical Services Division, TSD, National Intelligence Bureau, NIB, the St. Andrew North, CIB, the Area 5 Crime Officer, the ACP and team from CIB headquarters, and all other key stakeholders. We encourage anyone who may possess valuable information related to this investigation to assist us in our pursuit of justice. Your cooperation is critical in helping us to better piece together the puzzle. Your trust and collaboration play a vital role in upholding the values of justice and security that we strive to provide. Together we can ensure that our communities remain safe and justice prevails. If you have any information, please contact our dedicated hotlines at 119-311-811, the Major Investigation Division at 876-758-5048, or visit our nearest police station.
Sad, you know? I'm not enthused about man going to prison or people going to the gallows. What I'm interested in is to see the change. The change that I am hoping to come that I'm working hard for it to come. And I'm making myself be the change. Because everybody have to make a ways, you know. No man no perfect. But if we can speak to the man in the mirror and make ourselves a part of the change. Talk truth now. Talk truth, youth. Talk truth. Talk truth, people. Talk truth.